Next question from number 17, 17, from number 17. So in this problem number 17, the ready-made figures are given in the question. Ready-made figures. Ready-made figures means what? They give a ready-made cash inflow. Then nothing they said about inflow after tax. Cash inflow or project income after tax means assumed to be the given income after depreciation tax. After tax means what? They already deducted depreciation. They already deducted tax. You see problem number 17. Calculation of this income after depreciation and tax, which is given in the question. So here also we have two projects, project A and project B. Investment is given 2 lakh and 3 lakh, and estimated life is given 4 years and 5 years. Then projected income after tax they given. Cash inflow after tax means after depreciation tax. Ultimate is given 5 years given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and project A 4 years income is given. You see last year given dash. Project B they given 5 years. Now directly apply equation. Accounting rate of return equals average income or average profits, that is given profit, no? Average income. Average income after tax divided by average investment. Average investment into 100. We want this. Now project A. See average income. You see income, total income. Average income is what? First we want to leave some space. Average income equals total income after tax divided by number of years. So project A, total income you see after tax is the given total 20,000 plus 15,000 plus 15,000 plus 10,000, total is 60,000 divided by number of years is the given 4 years income, 4 years. So 15,000 means 60 divided by 4. 50,000, 60,000 divided by 4. Again project B, total income of project B, you have to add all 30, 30, 20, 30,000, 30,000, 20,000, 10,000 plus 10,000, total is 1 lakh divided by number of years income is 5 years they given, not 4 years income. 5 years is given in the question. Here 4 years given, A, B is 5 years given. So 5 1 5, 20,000. This is one thing. Now average investment we want. Average investment equals original investment minus scrap value divided by 2. Original investment minus scrap value divided by 2. This equation. So original investment is they given A project they given 2 lakhs minus scrap value not given 0 divided by 2. So equals 1 lakh. 2 lakh divided by 2 how much? 1 lakh. Project B, they give original investment is 3 lakh minus scrap value 0 not given divided by 2. So you will get 1,50,000. Now we know average income We got average investments. Then apply equation ARR equals project A. Average income of project A is 15,000 divided by average investment is 1 lakh into 100. So you will get 15%. See, 50,000 into 100, 15%. Now B projects. The average income B is 20,000 divided by the average investment is 1 lakh 50,000. So multiply by 100, you will get 13.33 now, 13.33%. That's all. 13.333 now, we don't want to 3. 13.33%. Now we should compare these two projects. Which project should be preferred for investment? Means suppose you are running one business. You are starting two projects, project A and project B. Some project A apartment, project B apartment. For example, you are investing money. Which project you have to select? Project A should be selected. Means you have to invest your money in project A. Project A should be selected because its accounting rate of return is greater than that of project Y. So this is called calculation of accounting rate of return in question number 17.